Hi, today in front of me is the Blade A71 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to display section. Then click to wallpaper section and now we can select wallpapers from our device gallery, previously taken photos or downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use the default wallpapers on our device. For example, let's use this one. Click on the left upper corner and tap to lock screen. So now let's just lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. We should first hold for a while our home screen and then on the left down corner tap to wallpapers, and by the same way then just let's use the gallery photos downloaded from the internet. For example, this one. Click on the left upper corner, select lock screen, and that's it. So the same actions. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.